Hi everyone, welcome back to the Peach Apron. Today we are making quick Bhindi Stir Fry, an easy and delicious ladyfinger recipe with just a few simple ingredients. It's a perfect accompaniment for any meal and very easy to put together. So let's get started. I have taken 500 grams of ladyfinger and given it a thorough wash. When selecting ladyfingers, keep a few things in mind. Opt for medium or smaller size ones that are firm to touch but still tender. The tail should move smoothly, indicating freshness. Gently pat dry the ladyfingers with a clean towel or kitchen paper, or if you have time, allow them to air dry. This speeds up the cooking process and reduces their stickiness. Trim off the edges and slit the ladyfingers lengthwise. Now all the pieces are prepped and ready to go in the pan. This dish comes together with just a few ingredients and minimal spices, yet it doesn't compromise on flavor. It's time to place the pan on the flame. I'm using coconut oil for this recipe, but you can opt for any vegetable oil. However, coconut oil adds a wonderful flavor to the dish. You'll need about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Let the oil heat up and evenly coat the pan. I'm using 3 green chilies for this recipe, but feel free to adjust the amount based on your preference. Slit the green chilies and add them to the hot oil. Add a few curry leaves and allow them to splutter in the oil, releasing their aroma. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. This is the only spice powder you will need for this dish. Let all the ingredients infuse their flavors into the coconut oil. Now it's time to add the ladyfingers. Give them a quick stir to ensure all the pieces get an even coating of the oil. Avoid overstirring as it will cause the ladyfingers to become stickier. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame until they turn a vibrant green. Cover the pan and let the ladyfingers cook for a few minutes until they soften and tenderize. Once the ladyfingers have softened, add salt to taste. Give it a quick stir and let it cook a little longer. Cover the pan and cook for 1 minute, allowing the salt to fully incorporate into the ladyfinger pieces. Give it a thorough stir and continue cooking till you start seeing traces of a beautiful golden brown. And that's all it takes to put this delicious dish together. Now it's time to plate and serve. This is a no stress, no hassle recipe that's all about simplicity and flavor. Whether you're in a rush or just looking for a quick, wholesome meal, this dish comes together effortlessly. With minimal ingredients and a burst of flavor in every bite, it's perfect for busy days when you want something delicious without spending hours in the kitchen. Serve it with steamed rice, rotis or naans, and you'll have a meal that's comforting, satisfying, and sure to please everyone at the table. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, enjoy cooking. Bye for now.